NZ, how's it going? We've got a jam-packed show tonight. We've got one Aussie against the Americans. Let's have a look at them.
And here's the Aussie team. We've got Diecast Dagger. He's driving the Ford Transit for Cut Rock Racing. Give it heaps, guys.
A big warm welcome to Nick Divas Racing. First time on the track. The driver is Chicken George. This is built by Nick Divas Racing, and it's the Dodge van weighing 80 grams.
Rumours are down in the pits that this driver actually knows this track extremely well. Welcome, Aussie Simon. You're driving Sandy for Lost Coast Racing.
Another big warm welcome to the track is Big Pair Racing. This is a purple van weighing 100 grams, and Romba LOL is behind the wheel. Let's get racing, NZ.
Wow. There's some really bright colours in this heat. Oh, let's get them on the track and see how they go. Congratulations there, Diecast Dagger. The Ford Transit, built by Cut Rock Racing, is off to the semis.
Also heading off to that semi-final spot is Big Pair Racing. Romba LOL, 100 grams in the purple van. Congratulations.
How good was Romba LOL in race 3? Right up behind Aussie Simon all the way down, gives him a punt, sends him airborne, then scoots past and gets the win.
Aussie Simon had this show in the bag and just let it go.
It looks like the ballet lessons at the Lost Coast Dancing Academy have paid off. Nice pirouette onto the grass there, Aussie Simon.
One of the best, NZ.
And George from Nick Divas Racing, mate, you didn't come last. But third just doesn't quite cut the mustard either. Hey look, you and Aussie Simon, come down to the garages. We've got a barbecue going. We've got the big screen for the semis. Everyone's down there. Just come down, kick back and relax.
Oh man, that was a tough heat, NZ. And I feel sorry for these teams that have spent all this time building cars, sending them to Australia and have to exit the program early. However, that is racing. So until Heat 8, I'll catch you later.